Hi guys, I'm back with my another video. So if you are new to my channel, my name is Arnavi Mitra and I am a power programmer at Infosys. I generally make videos on how to prepare for coding exams and coding interviews and how to prepare, what should be your strategies. You can watch my videos. I have given some of the links in the description. Also, you can connect with me in LinkedIn or you can join my Telegram group. You can find all the links in the description. So now in the video, this is the fourth video of the C++ STL lecture, and I will recommend you to first go and check those videos and then come for this. So what is the topic of this video? This video, here I will be explaining the custom comparators. So we know that we have in STL we have a sorting function. We can simply call sort function, but it generally by default sort it increasing order. But suppose we don't want to sort in increasing order, maybe we can use a greater in comparator. But suppose we have, instead of primitive data types, we have some classes. For example, we have a very famous problem, that is job sequencing algorithm, where job has mainly one ID and priority, and there also we need to sort them based on their priority. So suppose we have one class and we need to sort them based on one particular variable. So what to do it, I will explain you how to use a custom comparator. In the video I will be showing you. So first I will create one class. Let me name it as job. I will simply create a class of job. It will have two variables, id and priority, and by default they are private, so let me make them public. Now let me add one comparator so that it will be easy to add when I will run the code. And I will add the values like this. Okay, so I guess I have created the class successfully. Now I will create one vector that will take the elements like job. Let me name it jobs. Okay, now I will add some values on it. So first let me add one job with id 1 and let me add some random priority as 5. Okay, then I will add one job. Let me give the id as 2 and priority maybe a little higher, 8. Let me add some more. So uh, with less priority, or with, okay, let's have 3, and here another last one. Okay, let's have the highest priority here. So when I want to sort it, at first it should print 5, then 2, then 4, then 3, sorry, then 1, then 3, 4, then 3. Okay, let me first print them as it is. In the previous video I have showed how to use the auto keyword, so I will simply use the auto keyword to go through them, and here I will only print the IDs, won't print everything. So add dot ID, then okay, so let's run it, then we can go for sorting. Okay, I didn't add a semicolon here, and and uh, I didn't. I mistakenly write push only. It should be push back. Anyway, let's run. Okay, so it's printing the way I have added. Now I need to sort them. So before that, let me add one function. So I will add one static function so that I don't need, if the function is in any class, I don't need to create the class. I can simply call them, and it will be a function that is returning a boolean value, a true or false. Okay, and custom sort, so I will name them as cust sort, like this. It will take two jobs variables. So this is very basically the comparator type of thing. So when we are comparing two jobs, what should we give? And I will return j1 dot priority is greater than j2 dot priority. So if J1's priority is greater, it will return true. That means the one with more priority will be on top. Now I will create the function sort. I will call this sort function. I will pass this vector. Okay, and I will call this cust sort. Okay, I can pass like this. Now let's just quickly run and check what's happening. You can see at first it's showing 5 because 5 has the most greater priority, then it's giving 2, then 1, then 4, then 3. So we can see everything is fine. Now suppose there are two with the same priority, what should we give? Now let's see. Now for let's make our logic. Suppose both are same, then at first we should return one that has less job ID. Okay, suppose I am making 5 as 8 also, so the sorting one should give 2 first, then 5. Now first I will run this and let's see what it's returning by default. Okay, by default it's returning 2 because these are same, so it's returning in increasing order. But let's modify our logic, and we want 5 at top anyway. So how can I can write like this? If j1 dot copy it will be easier for me to write, not equal to j2 dot priority, I can return this. Else, okay, otherwise I will return j1 dot id is greater than j2 dot id. Let's see if it's working or not. Okay, you can see it's giving 5, then 2, then 1, 4, 3 is fine. So you can see the process how to add a custom comparator. We can define a function like this, and in the sorting itself I will give the iterator of beginning and end, and then I will simply pass the function as parameter, and we can define like this. So this is the way one should use a custom sort, a custom comparator in C++. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also let me know in the comment section how much you are going through this C++ STL lecture, what all things you want to learn from me, and if you have any suggestion, please let me know in the comment section. So thank you all. Bye.